In the world of digital gold, Bitcoin has just struck a gusher. Picture this, it's a typical day in the cryptosphere, then out of nowhere, Bitcoin takes a leap, a gigantic leap straight above $30,000. That's right, the first time since August, the digital currency has pushed past this milestone. Now you might be wondering what's behind this surge. Is it the promise of a decentralized future, or maybe the whispers of a potential Bitcoin ETF? All valid points, but the answer is simpler. It's the investors, the brave souls who ride the crypto wave day in and day out. And what a ride it's been. If you've been keeping score, you'd know that Bitcoin has rallied over 80% year to date. That's not just a climb, that's a rocket ship blasting off into the stratosphere. But it's not all smooth sailing. The week leading up to this surge was a whirlwind, a volatile mix of highs and lows that could give even the most seasoned investors a case of the jitters. But in the wild west of cryptocurrency, volatility is the name of the game. One day you're down, the next you're up, and the day after that, who knows? It's a roller coaster ride, and like any ride, it's not for the faint of heart. So what's next for Bitcoin? Will it continue its upward trajectory, or is there a drop looming on the horizon? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, with Bitcoin, there's always a surprise around the corner. So buckle up, keep your hands inside the vehicle at all times, and enjoy the ride. Because in the world of Bitcoin, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey. Hold on to your digital hats, folks, because Bitcoin is on a roller coaster ride. But Bitcoin's not the only one making waves in the crypto ocean. Let's dive deeper and take a look at Ripple Labs. Recently, they've been at the heart of some significant legal developments. The Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC as it's commonly known, decided to drop charges against two of Ripple's executives. This was a momentous event, leading to a rally in digital assets. It's like a starter's pistol, firing the beginning of a race, and suddenly, everyone's off, surging ahead with renewed vigor. The two Ripple executives, Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larson, must have breathed a sigh of relief when they heard the news. Imagine being in their shoes, facing the might of the SEC, only to have the charges dismissed. It's like emerging from a storm into sudden, unexpected sunshine. But what's even more intriguing is the ripple effect this decision has had on the crypto world. The XRP token issued by Ripple saw gains, proving that good news for one can often be good news for all in this interconnected crypto ecosystem. And then there's the judge's ruling. This part is crucial, so listen closely. The judge ruled that XRP was not a security when purchased by the general public. This is a game changer, folks. It's like a new rule in a sport, altering the way the game is played. The implications of this ruling are far-reaching. It sets a precedent, a guiding light for future cases. It's like a beacon in the fog, providing clarity amidst the uncertainty. This is the world of cryptocurrency, my friends. It's a thrilling roller coaster ride, full of unexpected twists and turns. And it seems that even the law is learning to navigate this exciting terrain. So it seems even the law is learning to ride the crypto wave. The SEC isn't just sitting on the sidelines in this digital asset game. In fact, they're right in the thick of it, contemplating the approval of spot Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, from big hitters such as BlackRock and Grayscale, among others. So, what's the big deal with Bitcoin ETFs? Well, they are investment vehicles that would track the value of Bitcoin, allowing investors to get in on the Bitcoin action without actually owning the cryptocurrency. This opens up the potential for a whole new group of investors to participate in the crypto market without the need to navigate the complexities of buying and storing digital currencies. But why does the SEC's decision matter so much? Well, as the primary overseer of the U.S. securities markets, the SEC's approval would give Bitcoin ETFs a significant stamp of legitimacy. Not to mention, the influx of institutional investors that would potentially follow could drive the value of Bitcoin up, much like a rocket to the moon. However, there's a flip side to all this. The SEC is known for its caution when it comes to new investment products, especially those with the kind of volatility seen in the crypto market. So, their approval is far from a certainty. If they decide to pump the brakes on Bitcoin ETFs, it could potentially send tremors through the crypto market, causing prices to drop. And let's not forget that the SEC's decisions don't just affect Bitcoin. The broader crypto market often moves in tandem with Bitcoin's price. This means that the SEC's decision could affect the value of other cryptocurrencies as well. So whether you're a crypto enthusiast or a casual observer, it's worth keeping an eye on the SEC's moves in the coming months. Their decisions could shape the future of the crypto market for better or worse. After all, As they say, when the SEC sneezes, the crypto world catches a cold. Legal developments and rumors are more than just tabloid fodder in the crypto world. They are catalysts, triggering dramatic shifts in the value and market sentiment of cryptocurrencies. The recent rally sparked by the Securities and Exchange Commission's decision to dismiss charges against Ripple's co-founders, Brad Garlinghouse and Chris Larsen, is a testament to this. Imagine this: the SEC, a formidable financial watchdog, argued that the sale of XRP, Ripple's cryptocurrency, was a violation of US law. Their claim? XRP was a security when purchased by the general public. But a judge, in a twist of legal fate, ruled otherwise. The ripple effect was immediate and profound. The crypto market, which had been skittish, buoyed by the news. Bitcoin, the granddaddy of them all, surged above $30,000 for the first time since August. Now you might be wondering, what's the big deal? So a legal case was dismissed. Why should this affect the value of Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency? Well, my friend, in the crypto world, legal developments are more than just courtroom dramas. They are an indicator of the industry's standing in the eyes of regulators. A favorable legal outcome, like in the case of Ripple, sends a signal that the industry is not just surviving regulatory threats, but also fighting back and winning. This boosts investor confidence, which in turn drives up the value of cryptocurrencies. But remember, it's not just about victories. Legal developments, favorable or not, create ripples throughout the crypto market. They can trigger rallies, as we've seen, but they can also incite crashes. It's a double-edged sword, if you will. And that's the thing about the crypto world. It's not just about technology and finance. It's a grand stage where law, politics, and economics intertwine. Each twist and turn, each legal development, shapes the narrative, influences market sentiment, and impacts value. So the next time you see a headline about a legal development in the crypto world, remember, it's not just a fleeting news item. It could very well be the spark that ignites the next big rally or triggers a market crash. In the crypto world, it seems, every legal twist becomes a market twister. So, where is Bitcoin headed next? To the moon or into a black hole? The future of Bitcoin, like any investment, is wrapped in a shroud of uncertainty. However, there are a few factors we can consider that could potentially influence its trajectory. Firstly, we have the recent surge. Bitcoin briefly rocketed above $30,000, following the SEC's decision to drop charges against two Ripple executives. This event sparked a rally, not only in Bitcoin, but in other digital assets as well. Now this surge could be a sign of things to come. The crypto community is buzzing with optimism, and this energy could potentially fuel further increases. After all, success breeds success. And in the case of Bitcoin, a surge can often lead to a flurry of investment activity. But what about the impact of legal developments? We've seen how the outcome of the Ripple case triggered a rally. This suggests that positive legal developments could be a significant booster for Bitcoin. If we see more victories for the crypto industry in the courts, this could prompt further surges. Then there's the potential impact of Bitcoin ETFs. The SEC is still considering applications from various asset managers, and if approved, these ETFs could provide a more straightforward and less risky way for investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin. This could potentially attract a new wave of investors and drive up demand for the cryptocurrency. However, it's essential to remember that the world of Bitcoin is a roller coaster ride. While these factors could potentially push Bitcoin to new heights, they could also send it spiraling down into a black hole. Regulatory threats, market volatility, and the ever-changing landscape of the crypto universe are all factors that could potentially derail Bitcoin's trajectory. One thing's for sure, in the crypto universe, the only constant is change. And that, folks, is a wrap on the Bitcoin boom and the whirlwind week in the crypto world. What a journey it's been, right? Let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've discussed. First off, we've witnessed the meteoric rise of Bitcoin, breaking the $30,000 mark for the first time since August. Quite a feat, isn't it? This surge, more than 80% year to date, is a testament to the resilience and potential of this digital currency. Then we delved into the ripple effect, literally. The SEC dropped legal charges against two Ripple Labs executives, leading to a rally in digital assets, including Ripple's XRP token. This victory for the industry shows that even amidst regulatory threats, there's room for growth and evolution. We also explored the role of the SEC in the Bitcoin ETF space. With applications from big players like BlackRock and Grayscale still under consideration, the future is ripe with possibilities. Will we see a spot Bitcoin ETF soon? Only time will tell. Next, we discuss the impact of recent legal developments. The SEC's decision to dismiss charges against Ripple co-founders and their pursuit of a financial settlement with Ripple has triggered optimism in the digital asset market. It seems the law is finally catching up with the crypto revolution. Finally, we looked at the future of Bitcoin. With its recent rally and the evolving legal landscape, Bitcoin's future seems brighter than ever. But remember, as with all investments, it's not without its risks. Remember, in the world of crypto, fortunes can be made and lost in a flash, so keep your eyes on the skies and your fingers on the pulse. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more crypto news and insights. Before you go, we've got a little request. We know you're intrigued, fascinated, maybe even a little overwhelmed by the roller coaster that is the crypto world. Just like Bitcoin's recent surge, this space is packed with highs, lows, and everything in between. And we want you to stay informed, stay ahead, and most importantly, stay excited about it all. That's where we come in. Our channel is dedicated to bringing you the latest updates, the most insightful analysis, and the most riveting stories from the crypto universe. From the boom of Bitcoin to the ripple effects of legal developments and beyond, we've got it all covered. But here's the thing. We can only do this with your support. By subscribing to our channel, you're not just signing up for regular content. You're joining a community of crypto enthusiasts, a network of people eager to learn, grow, and navigate the crypto cosmos together. So hit that subscribe button, ring the bell, and join us on this wild ride through the crypto cosmos.